Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for electrical engineers, electronics engineers, civil engineers and instrumentation engineers. So 4 department students can make use of this video. And today we are going to see job opportunities in AMD, that is Department of Atomic Energy, Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research. I will be giving the link in the description. So when you click on the link, you will be directed to the official website of this AMD. So in left hand side you can see many options like home, about us, etc. If you keep on scrolling down, you can see a icon called recruitment. You have to click on the icon recruitment. When you click on the icon, you will be directed to this page. Here they have released a recent advertisement. So when you click on this advertisement, that is advertisement number AMD 1/2019, if you click on that, and if you click on 2021 means you can get this site. So here they will be giving 2 links, one will be in Hindi and another will be English. So you have to click on the link for detailed advertisement in English. I will be explaining what instruction they gave, and if you want to apply means you have to apply here. So from yesterday, that is 9/10/2021 is open. You can apply for this recruitment post till 24th of this month. So when you click on the icon detail advertisement, you can read the informations in detail. So actually there is various vacancies for various discipline. I have just taken only few things. So see here, those who are having diploma in electronics and instrumentation engineering can see this. So according to the community basis, they have just gave the job vacancies, and if you are willing means you can apply. And regarding the age limit also they have clearly given here. And you will be getting a salary of 35,400 per month. So it's a great opportunity, don't miss it. And if you are belonging to diploma in electrical engineering or diploma in civil engineering, you can opt for this. For you also they will be awarding 35,400 per month. And for specifically they are recruiting male and female, and male should have certain height and female should have certain height, and etc. Just read the instruction clearly. I just scroll down. So here you can see the details of the fee. So whichever post you are applying, kindly look the corresponding or respective charges which they take on. And candidates, I mean there is no fees for SC/ST, ex-servicemen and physically disabled and women candidates. And if you scroll down, actually you will be having a pattern or written examination for 100 marks, and there is no negative marking, and 3 hours exam. Just if you want to apply means, just if you apply online, so there will be an icon. So if you click on that icon, you will be directed to this page. Here you have to log in, or you have to, if it's first time means, then you have to do one time registration for applying for this job. And if you further do means, you will be directed to this page. Here you can see how to apply. So when you click on that, it will be directed to another website. So there you need to fill all your basic details and information, so that they will contact you through mail ID or registered mail or registered phone number. And you need to write an examination for 3 hours. So kindly follow all the procedure and have a detailed go through of the entire advertisement. So I hope so this video will be useful for civil engineers, electrical and electronics engineer, and IC and E&I students. So kindly share with them, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivated. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. And stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thank you.